Magandang umaga sa iyo, mahal. Pasensya na't ginising ka upang mag-almusal. Sinalin ng gata.
To my jelly barista. As I always say, you make the best coffee in town, so it's just right that you receive this gift. Finally, makakapag-experiment ka na ng mga coffee na gusto mong gawin. So excited to have this in our daily routine. We bond through coffee, and I can't wait to spice that up using this. I love you, babe, and I hope you like it. Yours. Yay!
Pagkatapos mong kumain, halika't mamasyal.
Uy, ticket! Ito yung gift ko sa'yo kasi alam kong gusto mong maka-attend ng concert ni Bruno Mars. Tama. Sakto. Bonus, sasama pa ako kahit di ako super fan kasi ganun kalakas sa akin.
Ito ang dalangin ko, ang mabuhay kasama.
Nag-start actually na crush ko lang siya and all. So, and nagkaroon ng opportunity na magkatabi kami ng chair sa office. So, doon nakapagkwentuhan. Doon nag-start actually.
Di kami friends nun actually. Same year kami batchmates, pero magkaibang month kami na employee. Tapos, medyo siya yung kinakainisan ko sa batch nila kasi lagi siyang nagpapasab ng mga inventory count, mga ganon. Tapos, December season, so holiday season, papasab siya ng inventory count. Kaya, medyo inis ako sa kanya nun.
Ito ang dalangin ko, ang mabuhay kasama mo.
Parang very memorable sa akin yung one time kumain kami sa Andox, tapos share kami sa one meal kasi parang that's the day before the sahod. And then in-envision lang namin na once we get to the top, parang mabibili natin lahat ng gusto natin nang hindi sobrang nagbabudget or tumitingin sa price. I won't say na nasa top na kami ngayon. We're still getting there. Pero I would say na medyo malayo na rin yung naabot namin together. And that's because we have each other talaga.
Ng panahon, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Lumabo man ang paningin, ikaw lang ang nag-iisang malinaw sa akin.
At that point, sobrang saya lang. Very surreal yung feeling. Actually, ang daming times na tuwing mag-enter kami dito sa bahay, naiiyak kami kasi yung hirap na dinanas namin on building this. Pero lagi lang namin iniisip na ito yung pinangarap namin and willing kaming pagtrabahuhan lahat para ini-envision namin yung life after ng lahat ng struggle. So, talagang delayed gratification. Focus lang kami sa goals and then after that, saka na yung mga wants namin.
Pagkasama ko siya, feeling ko may Alzheimer's ako dahil sa daming maliliit na bagay na nakakalimutan ko that she always made me aware of. She knows me very well. My love, I like you as a beautiful, kind, and intelligent person. But aside from those superficial traits, I love you for being the thoughtful, OCD, organized planner, know-it-all, sweet and funny being that you are.
Dalangin naman yung hinihiling ko sa'yo. Ngayong papasok ka na sa pag-aasawa, ayusin mo yung pamilya mo, maging responsable ka. At sana, kahit saan ka man makarating, lagi kang lilingon kung saan ka nanggaling. Yun yun. Love you.
The past year was never easy. Building our dream home while planning a wedding, Sino ba namang makakaisip gumawa nun? Pero after ng lahat ng struggles na pinagdaanan natin, I just became more certain kasi kahit gaano kahirap, hindi tayo sumuko at ang tanging pinanghahawakan lang natin is as long as we have each other, kahit ano kakayanin natin. Lagi nga nating sinasabi, teamwork makes the dream work.
On the other side of heart, on the other side of heart. If I could say it all again, all the things I should have said, would you hear it?
Parang totoo yung sinasabi nila eh. Hindi mo siya ma-convert into words, but you just know it. Mararamdaman mo na lang talaga na siya na magpa-flow na lang talaga lahat smoothly. And then next thing you'll realize, wedding day nyo na hindi mo talaga naiisip. Actually hanggang ngayon hindi pa nagsisink in na ito na, ikakasal na kami.
As I vouch to your greatness today, I will also vow to be the best husband to your person. I will do my best to keep you happy and sane. I will hug you during moments of anxiety. I will protect you in all sorts of danger. I will storm the heavens to satisfy all your cravings. I will do everything in my power to protect your peace. I can't wait to hear what happened to your day while sipping the most delicious coffee from my favorite jelly barista. Only because I can see myself drinking any other coffee.